Good morning, students. Today we'll be starting with a new poem, that is poem number 6, The Patriot. Okay, please open textbook page number 81 and listen to me well. So, the poem Patriot is written by Sir Sir Walter Scott. Okay, so he's a poet who has written about the patriot. Okay, here in this poem it describes about the plight of a person who does not possess any love or patriotic feelings toward his motherland. See, children, patriotic means to feel love towards our country, to our motherland, right? We are all patriotic because we love our country, India. We love our state, Karnataka, everything. Okay, so here he's describing a man who has no love for his country. He's not patriotic. Okay, see, I have written the meanings here. Meanings, these are not like word to word meaning. I'm telling this is the meaning of that word in that particular line by this poet. Okay, breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never himself has said, had said, this is my own, my native land. Okay, breathes means lives here. Okay, in this poem he is saying, the Sir Walter Scott is saying that there lives a man with soul so dead, who himself has never said that this is my own, my native land. He has this, see, this person, he is talking about this unpatriotic person. No, he has never said that, see, this is my country, this is my native land. Okay, he doesn't has that love to tell that it is his native land. Okay, breathes means less, hath, hath, hath means has children. Okay, whose heart hath never within him burned, as whom his footsteps he hath turned. Okay, see, whose his heart has never have felt excited at the feeling of coming back home, right? See, children, if you are very far away from your home and you come home to your country, or if you have gone to another country for a long time to study or to work, if you have come back to your country, you will feel like very excited, right? Here burned means to feel excited. Okay, as his home has come, as his footsteps has led to his home, he has never felt excited because he is very unpatriotic. From wandering on a foreign strand, if such their breath go, mark him well. Okay, see, he has gone to foreign shore. Strand means shore here. Okay, he has gone to a foreign country. He doesn't have any love left to the country. Okay, for him no minstrel rapture swell, high though his titles proud his name. Okay, so what they're saying is, for this unpatriotic person, no poet has sung a song or a poem, right, children? See, we can see that many soldiers, many patriotic people have their own song written by the poets and the singers and authors, because they are very patriotic. They have made great contributions to the country, so they are singing songs and poems about them. But what about an unpatriotic person? No one sings about them, right, children? Even though his titles are very high, titles means his name. Okay, he might be any person in anywhere, even though he has a lot of proud in his name. Boundless his wealth has wish can claim, even though he has unlimited. Boundless means unlimited, even his wealth can be, but he will always be an unpatriotic person. Okay, despite those titles, power and wealth, no matter what titles he has, no matter how much money he has, how much power he has, the wretched concentrate all in self. Okay, even though he has a lot of power and money, he did not help his country, but he concentrated on himself. Wretch means unfortunate or annoying person. Here, this unpatriotic, annoying person has always concentrated on himself. Okay, living shall forfeit fair renown. Okay, so he's living, but he can lose, and he can lose the fame. Fame, renown means fame, children. Fame means to be famous, titles, powers, everything. And doubly dying shall go down. He will die twice because he has not lived for his country. He is not dying for his country. So he will doubly die and he will go down to the wild dust from whence he sprung. Okay, to the worthless dust. He will die to the worthless dust from whence, wherever he sprung. Unwept and unhonored, unwept, unhonored, and unsung. See, he will not be spoken about, he will not be honored about, he will not be wept about, he will not be sung about. Okay, this is what the poet has to say about the unpatriotic man. Okay, children, understood? See, if you have not understood any words, there are here glossary, and I have also written the meanings here. Concentrate well and read well. Okay, I'll read the whole poem once again. Okay, for your reference, please practice reading the poem. Breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath said, this is my own, my native land, whose heart hath never within him burned. As home his footsteps he hath turned, from wandering on a foreign strand. If such there breathe go, mark him well, for him no minstrel raptures well. High though his titles, proud his name, boundless his wealth as wish can claim. Despite those titles, power and pelf, the wretch concentrated all himself. Living shall forfeit fair renown, and doubly dying shall go down to the wild dust from whence he sprung, unwept, unhonored, and unsung by Sir Walter Scott. Thank you, children.